Good morning. Well, is it morning? No, it's not. It's 10 to 3. Good afternoon. It's Sunday, so just doing a quick catch up. Still not feeling 100%. I still can't shake this bloody cough. Obviously, weather's still dreary and horrible, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I've got a few things to show you. First of all, is this Lidl, $17.99, $24.99. One of those two. Not expensive anyway. Maybe $19.99. We had like a little Temu Hoover, just 12-volt USB. You know, it's supposed to be unbelievable suction, blah blah, but just hasn't lasted at all. So we want to look out for one. It is a bit bulky, but it's USB-C rechargeable, which is obviously great. There's no mains plug. Excuse me, which means we can plug it in nice and easy. It's actually a wet and dry vac. It says on there, it's wet and dry, which is incredible for what it is. And so far, so good. It's made by Silvercrest, which I guess is one of Audi's own brands, and it's on the special on the Middle Island. In Lidl. It's on the Middle Island Lidl. So yeah, if you're looking for a perfectly good van Hoover, well worth it. In the box you get your usual, like, you got your suction, you sort of wet and dry suction, and your regular like tube suction, plus obviously a USB-C cable. There is a mounting plate, but to be honest, we haven't really got anywhere in here that will mount it. So just having a quick look at the wet and dry vacuum cleaner, $17.99. So this is 400ml water. I think it's quality. It says it will last approximately 20 minutes on a full charge, but I mean, that's plenty to do any sort of hoovering around the van. Yeah, so far so good. Really cool. So there's that. Let's put that away. And then I've also, because I've got a bit bored today, I'm just going to pick you up. Made a little extension to the table. Now, we've got a lagoon leg, which has not been, we haven't had the greatest experience, to be honest, but that's probably down to me. But it's a bit of a wonky leg because it comes out a little bit this way from the seating area. So both these bits of wood here make up this bed down here. So I have to be careful what I've added. But basically, it's super simple. Let me just set you up so you can see. So basically, this will just lift off. I'll just put a little frame around the edge with these on. So these slide in and out. We've got a little lock on the bottom, a little screw lock on the bottom. And then that just slots on there. And then just give it a little squeeze up and extend the table. Now, I mean, we don't have a huge amount of use for it, but I'm thinking mainly when we've got like 4 people eating, it gives us a bit more space. Obviously, I haven't done the leg up yet, which is why it's twisting. Yeah, so like I say, we don't have a huge amount of use for it, like all the time. Generally, it's just 2 of us eating there, but we've had a few times we've had 4 people in the van eating, and yeah, it just makes life a bit easier. So, but as I say, I have to be careful because these bits fit into this piece here, so they have to have a certain amount over. Got a little interruption on that last clip, so sorry about that. So yeah, just to say, basically that's the table extended really. I'll probably end up replacing that bit of MDF because it's a bit scabby with a nice bit of pine when I find one. I've got our old dining room table from the house in the shed, but it's bloody thick, good sort of maybe this thick, and bloody heavy. So for a table in here, it's a bit much. So yeah, I could maybe, well no, there's no real way, but yeah, no, I probably can't use that. But yeah, find a nice bit of pine and get that put together, and then hopefully that'll just make those two look a bit nice. We've got another little single like thin fillet in there which makes up the whole bed, but I don't think we'll need that for the table really. So yeah, just one of those, just a little Sunday project. Hope you're having a good weekend. We're off to our park up now. go and actually go off to my shop to go and get plugged in and charged up, because the battery's a bit low with obviously this fantastic winter weather. So have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you in a couple of days. Cheers.